Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today I'm making a dish that combines chana or chole along with chicken to make a finger licking tasty recipe that goes well with naan and even rice. For this I've used 1 cup of Kabuli chana and I'll boil this or pressure cook it with some about 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili, 1 bay leaf, 1 large black cardamom, 1 piece of cinnamon and 1 green cardamom, and I've added about half a glass of water to this. We'll pressure cook it for about 2 whistles and keep this aside. And for the masala I've used 3 small to medium sized onions. We'll chop this into pieces and grind it to a fine paste in a mixer. You can add a bit of water, about 2 tablespoons of water if it doesn't get ground easily. Now take a pan or a kadai and we'll add some oil to this, about 1/4 cup of oil. Add in a piece of cinnamon, a black cardamom, 1 green cardamom and 1 clove. And once that is done, we'll add in the onion. I had not added any water to it, but in spite of that, it splutters a lot because onion already has a lot of water content in it. So that is why be careful not to burn yourself. I've used 3 tomatoes for this, which are medium to large sized. Now we'll grind this to a puree and keep it aside. In the meantime, when the onion is browned, we'll add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste to this. And we'll fry it along with the onion till the raw smell from the ginger garlic paste goes away. This is a very simple recipe and it turns out really amazing. It is a must try recipe. And now go the spices. We'll add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, about 1 teaspoon red chili powder. You can add it to your taste, and we'll quickly stir it so that it doesn't get burnt. At this point it looks like there is very less oil, so you can either add in some more oil to it or just add a bit of water so that the masalas don't burn. These gravies generally taste good when you have a bit of extra oil in it, but for health reasons you can add less oil to it. I've added the chicken pieces. I've used about 750 grams of chicken to this for this recipe, and about 200 grams of yogurt, which I've whipped it in the mixer, in the same mixer that I ground the onion in. So we'll add the yogurt to this or the curds, and we'll allow the chicken to cook in that curd for some time till it thickens. Now you can see the oil has come up, and that means it's cooked and ready to add the rest of the spices and masalas. So we'll add in the pureed tomato which we had kept aside. Mix it well and allow the chicken to cook in this tomato for some time till it gets dried up a bit, till the tomato gets cooked well. Now again you can see the oil has come up, so that means it is ready, and now you can add in the Kabuli chana. Now the spices that we added to the chana, so if you've not added too much of salt or red chili powder, you can add the entire water that is left along with the chana. Otherwise just add a bit of it and you can discard the rest. So I added the chana and the water, a bit of the water, and now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. This is added in the end so that it doesn't lose its flavor. And now add in some water to bring the gravy to the right consistency. You can see it's cooked really well. I'm just closing the lid and I'll cook it for a few minutes on a low flame. Now add in some chopped coriander leaves to it. It smells amazing, and this recipe is really very simple to make and it tastes absolutely delicious. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you liked it.